A company that just hit record revenue, record profits, and record conversions, but the stock is down 34% from its highs. That's the opportunity I want to talk about today. This is Apple 3i. Affle 3i is one of India's most unique tech companies. They are not your typical IT services firm. They run a performance-based mobile advertising platform, meaning if a brand wants new users, they pay Apple only when a user actually converts, downloads an app, registers, or buys something. This model is called CPCU or cost per converted user, and it's the entire business. Think of it as outcome-based advertising. Now, the recent results have been outstanding. Quarter 3 FY26 revenue crossed rupees 700 crore for the first time ever, up 19% year on year. Profit is up by 19%. EBITDA margins expanded to 22.7%, and the company has 1,542 crores of cash sitting on its balance sheet. This is a fortress. So, why is the stock down from 34% from its September 2025 peak of around 2,186 rupees? There are two reasons for this. Firstly, it is due to FII selling. Foreign investors pulled out record amounts from Indian markets in 2025. High PE tech stocks like Apple, which was trading at around 65 to 70 earnings at the peak, was one of the first stocks to go. Second, the US tariff shock in April 2026 created a broad market sell-off. But here's the thing, Apple's business is almost entirely India and emerging markets. The tariff doesn't hit software companies directly. This fall is mostly a sentiment problem, not a business problem. So, why will the stock go up? Digital advertising in India is on a structural growth curve, projected to reach nearly rupees 70,000 crore by FY 2026. Mobile advertising is 78% of that expenditure. Apple is right at the center of all of this. Management has guided for around 20 to 25% growth in its revenue and profits. They're also planning a major acquisition in 2026, which could be a re-rating event. Now, coming to the technicals, as we can see that since October, it has traded around the range of 2000 and it has fallen since then, all the way to the low of 1274. Now, as you can see here, I have set the support to be around 1270 levels. This is indicated by the strong demand region over here, as you can see. And this is also where the previous support level was, almost around the same price level. Apart from this, you can see that I have set the resistance to around 1613 levels. This is indicated by the supply region over here. Now, how would you want to go about into executing this trade? With the fundamental section which I just told you, we can see that the company is actually in a very good position and the stock has mostly fallen due to market sentiment, not due to a fundamental flaw in the company's business. So I would say that I am quite bullish on the stock and I would actually buy the stock right now. But what you can also do is set a GTT trade. How can you do that? Click on right click, go to GTT, press buy single, and then you can set the price at which you want to buy. Let me say that I will buy the stock at around 1460 levels. So let me just do that, change it to this price as well, and you can choose how many ever quantities you want as well. So let me just create the GTT. Now in this similar fashion, you can also create the stop loss and the target price for the stock. So let me just do that as well. I will go to right click, create GTT, switch to sell. One cancels the other order. Then I will set my stop loss to around 1260 levels. So let me just do that. 1260. Do the same for this side as well. 1260. Now, my target. I am expecting the stock to go to at least around 1800 levels. So let me just set that as my target price. Now with this, we have created our GTT order and uh, the GTT order will automatically execute once the stop level reaches that price either at 1260 level or at 1800 level, and it will sell the stock. And you can, and at the same time, you can choose how many ever quantities you want to sell as well. So let me click on right click. So this is how I would go into executing this trade on Apple 3i India. If you like the video, please follow for more such tips like this. And please remember, trade at your own precaution and do your own analysis. Thank you.